Hi, Swati ma'am. How are you? Welcome to the show.
Yeah, good evening, Jignesh. I'm fine. How are you?
All well, ma'am. Ma'am, what's the outlook for the market?
See, the Nifty outlook is definitely positive. Daily, we are witnessing a quite good momentum on the Nifty part as well as on the Bank Nifty part. Last week, as I said, 11,000 will act as a very strong support level on the Nifty. And from the same level, we have seen a very good bounce back on the Nifty. And on the Bank Nifty, I suggested 22,000 was the psychological support level. And after that, we might see some sell-off. So 1,000 point sell-off we have seen on the Bank Nifty up to almost 21,085 levels, and from again that level we have seen a very good bounce back rally. So as of now, definitely the correction has been ended up this week, and now we are going to witness a very good positive momentum rally on the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty. As of now, currently Nifty might face a very strong resistance at around 11,400 odd levels, say 11,380, which comes. It is a gap resistance level which has been formed in the February. I will exactly mention the date. That is on the 28th Feb. We have seen a gap down on the Nifty. That is the gap will act as immediate resistance levels, which comes to at 11,380 levels. If you're getting a positive breakout of 11,380, then definitely that the rally likely to be continued towards 11,500, 11,600 levels. So overall view is definitely positive on the Nifty, whereas on the downside, 11,000 will act as a very strong support level, which is also the support provided by its 200-day moving average. So I will suggest to carry on your long positions on the Nifty. I'm looking for a target of 11,500, 600, then 11,800 on the higher side also. On the Bank Nifty front, definitely Bank Nifty has been touched 50 days moving average, and we have seen a very good bounce back rally. Now on the higher side, 22,500 will act as the immediate resistance level. That is the previous swing resistance level. Above that level, I'm looking for a target of 23,100, 23,400 levels on the high side. So the overall view is definitely positive in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Just hold your long positions and look for the upside target, whatever I have mentioned it.
Ma'am, any stocks and sectors that you think are looking exciting?
Yes, definitely, Vignesh. Stocks are looking very interesting or say promising at the current level. Today, I will not give a sector overview at such, definitely not. But looking towards the Bank Nifty momentum, I like to give a buy call on the Axis Bank as well. We have seen a very sideways momentum or say the sideways consolidation into the Axis Bank. I believe it is likely to give a breakout and which might take us stocks towards 500, 540 levels, whereas the support is placed at 410, 420. So those who are looking for a quality stock to be added up into this portfolio, definitely one can go for Axis Bank. And another call I would like to add at this time is a Siemens. Siemens, we have seen a very good momentum in the last 1 to 2 days. The stock has given has a very strong support of 50 days moving average. So I'm looking for a target of 1240, 1260 on the higher side on the Siemens, whereas 1110 will act as a 1110 levels will act as a very strong support levels. These are the top picks for this week. I'm giving Axis Bank and the Siemens. As of now, Jignesh, even the mid caps are really doing very well compared to the large caps. So just like to give a spotlight on the mid-cap stocks 2 to 3. One is the rain industry. We have seen a very good volumes and the price momentum into this particular counter. I believe that this momentum is likely to be carried for the incoming week and the next week also, which might take a stock towards 120, 125 levels, and the support placed at 95. So this is the counter that we have even advised to our clients also in the Nirmal Bang securities. So definitely one can take a long positions on the range industry also. Another one is the Aster DM, which is also very strong counter on the mid-cap spaces. Price and volumes are going in hand in hand, so it also looks very promising on the technical chart. Upside 150 is the likely target, whereas on the downside 125 will be the great support level. So whatever the support levels I mentioned in this particular audio, definitely clients can keep that as a stop loss. In Aster DM, 125 is a support. So with the stop loss of 125, you can take a long position for immediate target of 150 levels.
Ma'am, thank you for your call. Just one question we had was Kotak Mahindra Bank. You had asked, you've given us a call there. Does your call still hold?
On the Kotak Bank? Yeah, we have seen a very good momentum into the bank nifty, but Kotak Bank, last time, I guess we have given it around 1400 levels, and in the next day we have seen that 1425 levels. At the current level, it is in the sideways momentum. Last week we have seen a false breakout on this particular counter. Support, I have mentioned it at around 1300, 1320 levels. So my call will be hold only, but since there is not much momentum, if at the current level one can keep a stop loss for 1320 levels. So if it's get triggered, I will suggest to exit from the Kotak Bank, and you can add on the Axis Bank. This week I had given a call on the Axis Bank. But the Kotak Bank, on the longer duration, definitely it's a very strong counter. But those who are looking for a very short trend momentum calls, then the Kotak will take a time to achieve our targets, whatever we have mentioned in the last video. So I will suggest those who are having any long position, they can hold on if possible, place stop loss of 20 rupees on a downside, and my targets will remain same, which I have mentioned it on.
Thank you so much, Swati ma'am. It's always a pleasure.
Yeah, thank you, Jignesh. Have a nice day.